Do you stress out when it's time to replace the bearings in your linkage and swing arm? Well, I found a tool that'll make it easy and quick. So if you're pressed for time, check it out. Here's the answer to your headaches, the Tusk swing arm bearing tool. When you get your swing arm bearing tool in the mail, you're gonna get something like this. And the reason I say something like this was I was a knucklehead and I stripped out the threads on the original rod. So what do you get with the tool? Well, let's take a look. You get 3 different adapters for different size bearings on different bikes. And you also get these press plates to help you to initially install the bearings straight in your swing arm and linkage. Well, that's enough of the introductions. Let's get out to the shop and see how this thing works. And here we have the tool all set up and ready to remove some old bearings. The way you set it up, you have a big socket on the bottom, or BFS for short, and on top you have to use the right size adapter to be able to push the bearings out. And now that we have the tool all set up and ready to go, there's nothing left to do except put a wrench on it and tighten it up, just like our handsome young friend is doing here. And remember, in this case, fire good. And with a few turns of the wrench, our rusty, crusty bearings are out of the swing arm and it's ready for the new bearings. Now to install your new bearings, you're going to want to set up the tool something like this, with your bearing on top going straight down, a press plate on top of that, and you want to make sure that you have everything centered up evenly so that way the bearing goes into the swing arm straight. Another really cool thing you can do with this tool, you can take the adapter and set it right next to the oil seal. That way you can mark the adapter with a piece of tape, so when you put your bearings into the swing arm, you can countersink them at the right depth every time. And remember, until next time, never quit playing in the dirt.